Did you talk to her? Gary, didn't you just get out of her car? You mean to tell me you didn't talk to her?
I'm trying, babe.
No, it's okay.
Babe, it's full.
Forget it.
Hey. Everything's gonna be alright. I can convince her. Definitely.
Can't you tell that he's just a bum? I don't want you to ruin your life like this.
I will make a decision when I need to do so.
Are you sure?
Where is Stephanie?
I'm not with no other girl.
Stephanie.
When you... Oh, hold on.
If a female called this phone, you and I, we through.
Baby, listen to me. Nobody is going to call my phone, okay? Nobody's going to call
I'll
my
be
phone.
at my mother's in case you need me.
What are you going to your mom's house for?
I love her, man.
Come on, step out of the car and put your hands up. Come on.
What are you doing? What the fuck is wrong with you? Let him come. Yo! Fuck!
Hello, my name is Moses Blanchard, and this is just a chapter of my life. I had a good life, with a very bright future ahead of me.
You made it out good out there, bro. You're a doctor.
I mean, a wonderful family.
Love you, Dad.
Love you too.
And of course, the very gorgeous.
Hey, this is my lovely fiancée, Joanne.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Joanne.
Nice to meet you too.
As you can see here, we have our high ceilings, along with our textural regular tiles as well.
But this is earth, not heaven. And I am only human. I just had to mess it all up. One mistake. Joanne.
I'm not stupid. Tell me the truth.
Everything went from sweet to sour. From promising to the hardest time of my life. I was looking with nothing to look for.
Come on, girl, let's go, man.
I was running with nowhere to go.
I don't think nobody saw us. Nobody saw us.
I guess we all go through some hard times.